I have a friend who lived in Fort National, Haiti during that infamous night when an individual called Dr. Roger Lafontaine got on national Haitian television and declared himself the president of the country. It was an attempted coup that failed miserably. But the way that my friend recounted the events of the night was very captivating to me. He basically said that the people of Front National, as soon as they saw his face on the screen, they didn't even wait for the end of the speech. They just thronged the streets and they headed to the Palais National, which is the equivalent of the White House in Haiti. They headed there with outrage, with motivation, and with whatever weapons they could grab. I'm talking rocks, machetes, you name it. And the Palais National was guarded by armed guards, but that didn't make a difference. These people that night, they were not going to stand for it. They saw something that was wrong and they were determined to set him straight, no matter what it took, right? And so there's a lot of conjecture around that story and a lot of politics around it, but I'm really not interested in that. What really captured me from this event was the reaction of the people from Front National, as explained by my friend. Um, I'm thinking about it, I'm contrasting it to today. Today our children are being raped, our country's being pillaged, and we're suffering all other kinds of abuses, but our people are completely subdued and fearful to the point where we can't even stand up for what's right anymore in our own country. And if you see that, if you go to the country, you realize it across the board. I mean, recently, I was entertained by a very, very nice family in Haiti, very hardworking people, people that I consider part of that sliver of middle class that still exists in Haiti. And I asked them, how do you deal with the situation in the country these days? I mean, the injustice, the insecurity, what do you do about that? And they looked at me and basically they said, well, what can we do? We stay home and we pray. And that's the answer. That's, like I said, that's the standard. And it's very unfortunate because we're really afraid. I mean, we're afraid of each other as well because I recall I was 5 years old and I told my mother that I wanted to be president. And she looked at me and the first thing that came out of her mouth was, they're going to kill you. What? Like why? I mean, she joked it off and she tried to explain it after, but I know she meant it. And so this is the kind of fear that we're passing on to our offsprings. It's just this vicious circle. Today, I see that we're not just afraid of ourselves, not just afraid of standing up for what's right and of getting hurt, but also we're afraid of each other. I was in a conference call recently and the moderator was just dropping people left and right because they had their numbers blocked. And this was an international call with thousands of people calling in. There could have been a million reasons why the number was blocked. If you're calling for calling card, whatever. But that person, that moderator, was so afraid that people were out to get him, that people were spying on him and trying to threaten his initiative, that, I mean, that fear completely clouded the better judgment of that person. And as a people, this is the kind of fear that we all harbor in us. And one of my favorite authors, Eckhart Tolle, said it best. He basically explained that fear is not something that we need to avoid unnecessary danger. So when I'm telling you that you're fearful, I'm not saying to go out in the street and get a machete. No, we're all adults. We have to take necessary precaution. But the kind of fear that has become endemic of our Haitian population is a psychological condition. It's something that you need to try to cure and rid yourself of. It's something that has undermined our better judgment, has paralyzed us, and has made it very hard for us to progress and is detrimental to our life, our future. So today I want you to consider that and really think about these examples that I've said and see how they relate to your personal life, because I sure did that. And just to kind of tie it into how fear makes us less inquisitive as a people, you hear Haitian parents a lot of times, they won't let their kids learn how to swim because some kids somewhere at some point drowned. And you're like, that's the point. I'm trying to stay afloat. I'm trying to learn how to swim, right? But that fear is there. And instead of trying to figure out, okay, why did that kid drown in that river? What's going on over there? Let me try to see how I can prevent another kid from drowning. We just say, okay, let's stay away from it. We're afraid, or there's some monster in there, and we're satisfied with that story. Well, that's not good enough. And I hope I've sufficiently explained just how damning this kind of fear is for our people. And I hopefully have inspired you to be brave. And I'm going to conclude this segment with a quote from Bill Cosby that says, decide you want it more than you are afraid of it. So decide you want to work with your fellow Haitians. Decide you want to leave a better legacy for your kids. You want to fight injustice. You want to stand up for your beliefs and what's right more than you're afraid of doing that. Because at the end of the day, the condition of fear is not based on any real threat, as Eckhart Tolle explained. It's actually a fear of what might happen. And the way I see it, anything can happen anytime. So let's not be fearful. Let's do better for our children and our future, and let's do the right thing despite our fear. Thank you so much for watching this. My name is Marli. I'm a Haiti Hope Ambassador. You will find a link in the description box of that proclamation from Dr. Lafontaine, which I looked for a long time, and I thought you might be interested in checking it out. So if you want to, there's a link there. And right after this clip, I am facing one of my fears, like I promised last week. So I hope you enjoy that. Thanks again. Bye.
Yeah.
Oh my.
What's his name?
Whatever you want to call him.
Okay. Why does he have a second head?
It's a fat tail gecko. This is a fat tail.
Does he see me?
No.
Okay, good. No, so that means I'm going to startle him.
No. Don't worry. He's not going to bite you, I promise.
Give me 1 second. I'm not trying to... Okay.
This thing has a low battery.
Oh.
So, should I whip out my camera?
No. Don't whip out anything.
I have a bad angle. Yeah.
Yeah. It's good? He did move. He moved though. You saw that, right?
Yeah, you like it.
Marli, this is a bad angle. Can you hold it and give it to her?
Don't.
Marli, have you ever held a...
You never...
Don't need any kind of red. Yeah, I grab it, it's fine.
Oh, look at you. Hello.
Wait, he's smiling.
Come on, this one's cute. I could hold that one. I won't.
I can't do it.
Hi, mister. Hello. You're beautiful. Hello,
No,
handsome.
wait. 1 second. I know your shift is almost over.
No problem.
But I'm trying to really not hurt anything. Okay.
He's adorable, man.
This is what we're gonna do. No. He has stuff over there.
That's his
What's
ears.
that? Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
So this is what you can do for me. Just put him on my hand and take it. Can you do that?
Yeah, I'm not going to let him go though.
Yeah, don't let him go because I
I
can't.
know.
It's okay, Mark. It's okay. He looks gentle. Hello, sweetie.
Here, I'll hold him like this. Put your hand under him. Just put your hand under him.
Come on. You want me to
Just
do
put your
it?
hand under him. That's all you got to do.
Okay, wait. Should I? Okay, fine. I'm gonna close my eyes.
That's all.
Okay. Wait. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's do it. No.
Hello. Hey, sweetie. Hey, Mr. Soul. Hi.
That was.
Come on, that's not that bad.
He's kind of scary. He does
adorable.
things. He moves.
Hi. Hey, Mr. Sexy.
Okay, now
You
you're making
like
me look
it,
bad.
huh? Come on, he's a sweetie.
He is really sweet.
Oh, come on, Marli. You can hold him.
You think
No,
so?
yeah, you can hold him. Hi.
You think so, Amy?
Yeah, you can hold him. Don't hold him. Just pet
Hold
him.
him over here.
Don't hold him. Just pet him. Just pet him.
Okay, I'm gonna pet him.
Yeah, just pet him.
If you pet him, I can pet him.
Yeah, no, he's not bad. Hi.
He's good.
See? He's good. There you go. See? Just pet him. He's okay, right? Petting him is not bad. There you go. See? And if you call him handsome, it's even better.
He's cute and all, but
Yeah, he's adorable.
he still has that effect.
Of what? That's how he walks. He thinks you're weird too. Hello. See, he's not doing
nice.
anything. He's
You,
not
you
doing
don't feel weird with him touching your...
I touch your snakes. I touch all of them.
He's fine. He's fine. He's a sweet. You want to pick him up?
He looks
You can do it just like that.
like this.
Yeah, one like that. Just don't throw him.
I'm not gonna throw him. I can't.
We have that saying. Did you see the one here that we have?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I've got really close. I'm satisfied
great.
with that.
He's fine.
No. Let me do it. Let me do
He's
it.
fine. He's really fine. He looks good. I trust him.
Okay,
I don't
you can
trust
put it
you.
on my hand.
All right.
You okay? You want me to hold your hand
No,
too?
that's fine.
It's okay. It's okay. There you go. See? It's okay. Oh, good job.
There you go. You did it.
Yeah.
Look, he'll lick too.
He licks?
Sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw you saw earlier.
He's actually not bad.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, I'm warming up to him.
He's a good one.
Yeah, you were right. I'm very happy I listened to you. Because the small ones are
Yeah,
scary.
they run.
Damn.
They might be chasing him on the floor right now.
Okay, so official, I can do it officially.
You want to do it just
Yeah.
like this?
Yeah, just like that.
It's
Put
okay.
in a little more?
It's okay.
There you go.
There you go. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Tell
You're
me when
fine.
you want him on.
Okay.
It's fine. You're fine, right?
Yeah.
Yay! Yay!
Conquering fears.
Awesome. Awesome.
He's really good.
See?
Oh, thank you. I'm so happy. Like this one is
Hello,
good.
handsome.
Okay, and he does have a nice skin. It's very nice. His complexion.
Nice.
Oh my God.
Awesome.